Having a great body language is essential for effective communication and leaving a positive impression. Here are some tips to improve your body language. 1. Maintain eye contact. Make eye contact with the person you're communicating with, but don't stare. It shows confidence and engagement. 2. Posture. Stand or sit up straight with your shoulders back. Good posture exudes confidence and attentiveness. 3. Smile. A warm, genuine smile is inviting and shows approachability. Avoid forced or fake smiles. 4. Gestures. Use your hands to emphasize points, but don't overdo it. Be mindful of cultural norms as well. 5. Mirroring. Subtly mimic the body language of the person you're speaking to. It can create rapport and make the other person feel more comfortable. 6. Avoid crossed arms. Crossed arms can signal defensiveness or closed-off behavior. Keep your arms relaxed and by your side. 7. Maintain personal space. Respect personal boundaries. Invading someone's personal space can make them uncomfortable. 8. Nod and lean in. Nodding occasionally and leaning in slightly when someone is speaking shows that you're actively listening and interested. 9. Use open gestures. Open, expansive gestures can convey confidence and openness. Avoid closed-off gestures like crossing your legs or arms. 10. Speak clearly. Articulate your words and speak at a reasonable pace. Good verbal communication complements strong body language. 11. Dress appropriately. Wear attire that is suitable for the situation. Dressing well can boost your confidence and positively impact your body language. 12. Practice active listening. Engage in the conversation by asking questions and providing feedback. This shows that you're actively involved in the discussion. 13. Breathing. Take deep, slow breaths to stay calm and composed. Shallow, rapid breathing can convey nervousness. 14. Confidence. Confidence is key to great body language. Believe in yourself and your message, and your body language will reflect that. Remember that body language is a reflection of your inner state. Confidence, authenticity, and respect for others are the foundations of good body language. Practice these tips, and over time, they will become more natural and help you communicate effectively.